I'm sure you're ready to make your own pair of these 3-bow long drop seed bead earrings. You're just going to need 2 colors of size 11 seed beads, 2 wire guards and 2 ear wires, and 1 yard of beading thread on your needle. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Today I'll be doing the tutorial in the gold and black, but as you can see, have fun and pick whatever colors you would like. Starting with 4 of the seed beads, bringing them down near the end of the thread, and needling back through all 4, and then back through the very first one. Step up through the side, and this one here. Pick up 3 more seed beads in your first bow color, and come back through this one here, then up the side, and come through the top bead. Now you have 2 right angle weave units together. Pick up 13 of your bow colored seed beads and then needle through the middle, forming the first loop of your bow, turning it over in my hand. 13 more seed beads coming through this top seed bead of the right angle weave unit, making the other loop of your bow. The 4 beads here are your original right angle weave unit. Come down 1, and through this one here, and then step down into this one, and we're going to use 7 to make the tail of the bow. Bringing those right next to where your beads are. So this is like a picot trim where you skip the one on the very end, come up the other 6 that you just added, and through the one that you started with, and then pull these beads snugly up against everything. And if you need to get any slack out of your line, hold onto the bead on the end, and then pull up, and then come back through this seed bead here, and down this one. 7 more of my seed beads, bringing them up to the bow, skipping the one on the end, needling back through the 6 that we just added and the one above it, pulling the one on the end up next to everything else, coming up 1, and then needling through the top of the right angle weave unit, needle through the first bead of your bow loop, picking up 1 seed bead from the other color, and come down into the first seed bead on the other side of your bow loop. And back through the top of this right angle weave unit. Pull everything tight. Come up through 1 and into the second color. And now we're going to build a ladder to our next bow, picking up 2 seed beads, coming back through this one, up 1, picking up 2 more, come down 1, go up the 2 on the other side, again pick up 2, and go down 1 bead, up 2 on the other side, Picking up 2 seed beads, coming down 1, and up 2 on the other side. Now that there's 4, we're going to make 9 total. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then pick up just 1 and needle down all the beads on one side. Through the one at the bottom and back up the other side. Now we're going to add the second bow, picking up 3 of the bow colored beads, coming up the side and through the top, and 3 more back through here to make the second right angle weave unit. And now one more bow. Picking up the last seed bead, coming down this column through the end and back up this side. Time to add the wire guard, attaching your wire guard at the top and retrace this thread path a few times. I'm just going to slip a half hitch knot between my seed beads to finish it off, and then pull my thread a bead or 2 past my knot. Let me know what color you made in the comments below and have a beautiful day.